Hi, Sagittarius. Ooh, it's Lulu, and welcome to the Foyer. Hello. All right, so let's get into it. What information do you have here for my beautiful Sagittarians, please? What information do you have here for my beautiful Sagittarians? Check it out, girls and boys. Okay, isn't it cute? All right. The Thinking Man, Storm Warning, Healer of the Ages, Yin Yang, Angel of Love, which is holding the most weight, Appreciation, Sacral Chakra, Adjacent Possibilities, Indecision. All right, so what's holding the most weight is Angel of Love. So this is about self-love, really balancing that masculine and feminine energy, being grateful for what it is that you've gone through because it's made you who you are. You got the yin and yang, storm warning, and then the appreciation card, which says enough in itself, right? A storm does come in to bring you a balance. A storm does come in to see how quickly and how you shift with gentleness, ease, and grace, whatever this is that happened. Now, the Thinking Man, Angel of Love, and Healer of the Ages. There's a situation between you and someone else. Maybe someone is giving you some type of clarity, apology. Someone is saying something to the point, or expressing themselves, or giving you something to the point where you know that you can take it, take nothing, take that what they are giving you. Maybe it be words, an actual gift, whatever it is that they are giving you. You are turning it into something that will appreciate and not depreciate, which goes with that, a healer of the ages, right? This may even be that you are unlocking certain parts of yourself that have to do with your growth, your spiritual growth, your spiritual health, your spiritual hygiene. Okay. And then you have yin yang, adjacent possibilities and appreciation. You begin to be grateful for what is in front of you, have these deep set it's like you may have come out of the storm unscathed, and you know that there are still things for you to do. You're still in the maybe ruminating over certain ideals and coming to certain conclusions, but you are grateful. There may have been a lot of tears shed right here with this appreciation card, which may be what makes you indecisive, because it's like you are bearing fruit. Now, bearing fruit to you may be different. There's different methods that people utilize when it comes to the bearing of fruit, right? But I feel like you come out of this on top, especially when you come in to agreement with yourself that you want this. Um, you want to make things a priority that have to do with your growth. You want to make things and people a priority that resonate with you, right? Um, with that sacral chakra, you may even be healing your inner child when it comes to how you view your self-care rituals, how you view your self-love rituals, as well as how you um, do things with warmth when it comes to your creative endeavors. That nurturing energy, being the mother to yourself, right? How receptive are you to what is coming in, that is bringing in a lot of possibilities? Because you know that when you are imbalanced in those areas, it can cause creative blocks. It can cause for you to be indecisive. It can well, there it is. It can cause for you not no move is better than any move, go into that space. When the sacral chakra isn't, working in its proper functioning in its proper way. There's a number of things that go on, but I do feel as though there's something. Maybe you have a checkup, a health checkup, or trying to decide on to what makes the most sense when it comes to the options that are available to you for care for a child, care for yourself. This may be doctor's appointments. The indecision comes in. You may be indecisive when it comes to, do you want to really accept what is being offered to you, because you may come to a crossroads. And with this crossroads, I really do feel like the direction that you go will have a lot to do with what stopped you in the past, right? So if something stopped you in the past or tried to prevent you from making a move when it comes to this person or people, taking care of a child, taking care of yourself, softening up, right? Because um, Of course, with that yin and yang there, sometimes, things can be a little more of one thing over the other, especially with that storm warning and the challenges that may have brought you, the Wheel of Fortune. So you have a decision to make on the direction that you go. It's the most opportune time. Ace of Wands. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. It may be a message from someone in your family or someone who really does care about you here, that really sparks something in you. This could also be that you begin to get that fire burning again in your relationship. Um, Too many people trying to hold on to one thing. Too many people were trying to hold on to one thing. Um, the fire element. So too many people were trying to hold on to one thing. Maybe this was a fight or an argument about a pet. This may be a family pet. Who um, does the work, who doesn't. Someone trying to misdirect. Now you got clarity. Someone may have tried to misdirect you in the past. Now you have clarity. All right. You connected. All right. What is this thinking man? The Six of Wands. Like I said, somebody is sharing something with you. Maybe they're sharing an award with you, or they're sharing what it is that they've gained. Maybe they hit the lottery or something. Someone is wanting to celebrate with you, um, and they may be offering you something here. They're not worried about the reward. They just are excited to share this with you. They may feel as though you are someone who they hold near and dear to them. What is this Six of Wands? The Star. They may have overcome some type of illness. They may have been exalted out of something. Like maybe they went to trial for something and they got exalted. Um, they were that was a mistrial. Now the Star card, it could be Aquarius, but it feels as though this person maybe the reason why you are indecisive about this person is because sometimes they stretch things. All right. What is this storm warning? The Eight of Pentacles. Disruption in the workplace, disruption in this may have to do with disruption in your power. So again, it goes with that self-love. No matter what the storm is, how do you come out on the other side of the storm? That is what makes sense, right? With that eight of, like, this may be someone trying to disrupt or destroy your papers. All right, what you are working on. Somebody's trying to destroy what something that is unique to you. This person may wear red a lot, or red is significant, then maybe it's just an aggressor. What is this Eight of Coins? The Six of Swords. You're gonna make it out without it's gonna go out. Things are gonna go off without a hitch, right? Maybe somebody is revealing to you about this tower that's going to hit, and you just got to look at it with calm clarity, right? Don't lose your head, because sometimes people get so caught up in storms that they get turned around and they get confused, and that's when it's just shit everywhere, right? When the shit hit the fan, it's everywhere, right? And I feel like this is something that you're going to really already know. You're going through a rite of passage here, and it's like 6886. You already know what to do with this Healer of Ages. The Queen of Swords in the reverse. All right. So this may be someone that is very bitter, cold, Ace of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Someone that wants to extend some type of apology with this Queen of Swords in the reverse. It could be an air sign, or any with the Healer of Ages, that's Aquarius. So it could be any air sign. But this Queen of Swords in the reverse, to heal this situation, you have to go within, right? If it's you that is very bitter, sometimes people don't know that they bitter. Sometimes people don't know that, I was watching Tyra Banks interview Corinne Steffens from back in the day. And baby, she was such a mean girl. And I'm like, why is she talking to her like that? Corinne was just on that ass. Tyra was in her feelings like Corinne messed with her dude or something. It looked like it. Now then, what is this Queen of Swords in the reverse? Something is being healed about, the way that you view things, right? Maybe you're viewing things in the upside down realm, which is, very manipulative, and manipulation is interesting because sometimes people don't know that they're being manipulative when it comes to how they converse, right? So this may be someone that you are dealing with. Someone is very, um pragmatic. I don't know. But someone is very dark, and it's being healed, whether they like it or not. That Knight of Cups has to do with, maybe this person Maybe this person is someone who views love a certain type of way, and it's like they cannot continue to view love in this way if they want to continue to live and prosper. Because this Knight of Cups has a lot to do with my way or no way. See this? In this deck, that's what he is. He just be like, I can't believe this. I want my way. And I'll try to sweet. Maybe this person tries to sweet talk and has a negative way of sweet talking. You know what I'm saying? Um, Whoever it is, they shadow run from them. Like, don't nobody probably want to be around them, no nothing. Like, they shadow run from them. Here, what is this yin and yang? The Seven of Cups. Get out your feelings. All right. That's the feminine energy. Get out of your feelings, right? See things for what they are, right? Um, Come out of the illusion that, you're hurt. Come out of the illusion, especially if you are going through a lot of warfare. Balance yourself out as quickly as you possibly can. All right, and we do need to talk about that. I needed to do a video about that. But balance yourself as quickly as you can so that you won't continue to be imbalanced to the point where you miss out on that Wheel of Fortune opportunity. Right. So with the Seven of Cups, this may be that this is like whoever this Queen of Swords in the reverse and this Knight of Cups is like with this Seven of Cups. Maybe this is someone that's close to you or that you know, or it could be you if you keep it a hundo. But with this Seven of Cups and this Yin and Yang, this is someone that is always saying that somebody is emotionally doing something to them. Somebody hurt their feelings. Somebody, whatever. They always it ain't no progress nowhere. It's just always what somebody did to them with this Seven of Cups. And it's like you gotta really go ahead and, take your bruises and fix them and keep it moving, okay? Because there's something that's being offered to you, and there's a number. You have to remember that there's a number of things that you haven't gone through in your life, right? And with this Seven of Cups, it really is feeling like, one, two, three, four. So maybe you made some type of decision when you came to the conclusion that you got to that point where you don't want what you haven't, what you did want, but you gave somebody a chance, or you gave something a chance, and it threw your balance out. Probably your pH, I don't know, but it probably threw your balance off here. Let me see. What is this Seven of Cups? The Three of Coins. It may be a working relationship, but it also may have to do with your work, your progress. With the Three of Coins, it's like in order for you to really be able to manifest, you're going to have to get balanced. All right. Be very much so clear. Keep your hands clean, right? Keep your hands clean. So that you can move forward and get these opportunities that are available to you. Maybe you're looking into people to work with, work for, um, healthy collaborations, as well as getting someone. You got to be balanced, even if you are asking someone for some type of help that you have to pay them for some type of help. You're gonna have to be balanced, right? What is this Angel of Love? Okay, let me see. Now, some of them in the upright, some of them in reverse. Shit. The Queen of Cups in the reverse. All right. Don't allow yourself to be in this energy like that. It's like you seeing it for what it is, right? Because the Queen of Cups is very just hurt, And I understand that people, because I've been there, right? So, how long are you going to be in there? How long are you going to be hurt? How long are you going to be a victim? How long are you going to be in your feelings? Okay. And it's like you are seeing this for what it is, right? This could even be that, someone that you are dealing with is taking on this energy, right? But overall, it's like maybe you are looking at this like, I do not want to be like this person. And that's what a lot of us have to grow into. It hits you at least by the age of 25, at the least the age of 25. Some people see it earlier than that. But by the age of 25, you really are in a space where you're making up your mind that, like, look, the stuff I went through, I'm not going to be that. I'm going to be better, right? And so you begin to work on that, right? So if this is a mother figure or someone here, because the Healer of Ages, Angel of Love, and the second chakra, whatever this is, it affected your sacral chakra. It made you feel some type of way, right? Even if this is a matriarch in your family, this made you feel some type of way and put you in a space where you know that you have a decision to make and you can't go on like this. Maybe this is communication with this person. Maybe this person had lipo or some type of surgery. And that's what people don't talk about, right? People like to talk about how don't eat this, don't wear that, don't do blah, blah, blah. Okay, figure it out. You got to figure yourself out. And so people don't talk about, when these people are, getting these injections and these surgeries and all of these things and the negative stuff that comes in with that, right? The energy of the establishment, the integrity of the establishment, or who made the product, regardless of, the product gonna fuck with you anyway, right? But somebody may have had some type of surgery that changed them. They came out something else, okay? Oh, what the hell? What is this appreciation card? The Tower. After you went through that tower and had that realization, Eight of Cups, you know who to walk away from. Maybe you're walking away from an emperor, a father figure, or someone who was trying to have dominion over you. What is the second chakra? The Hermit. Doing, your yoni themes, your yoni work, taking time out to really exercise. Remove yourself from situations, being guided to remove yourself from situations. Put yourself in a higher position, a higher space, but really live in that, not getting caught up in any wormholes. What is this adjacent possibilities? The Six of Wands. When you make this choice from the start, you're going to be excited about this. The Page of Cups. Don't let any worry, anger, fear, because the Page of Cups in this deck has a lot to do with being haunted by the past, hearing shit, seeing shit, right? A lot of people hear stuff and see stuff, right? But what it got to do with your vision? Because oftentimes, we get information, and if you don't want to have clarity of your vision, that's when you meet people like that. They don't have clarity of vision. They get a lot of information, but they don't have clarity of vision. So a lot of the information that they get, it's not purpose filled, right? And so this has to do with you really making a decision from a standpoint, right? It's going to be a successful decision once you decide to make it. There may be a number of options available to you. You're waiting for that aha moment. What is this indecision for Sagittarius? The Six of Coins. What works and what doesn't. This is karmic reward. The decision is totally up to you. All right. And what it is that you want to do and how you need to do it. Those are those three people from that Three of Pentacles, right? So you're making a decision on partnerships and who's worth the investment, who isn't, the collaboration or what have you. You're making some type of decision when it comes to how you're going to move forward and who you'll work with and who you want, whose advice you will take and whose you want. What is this six? The Star. Business deal. This may be a business deal, something that's really going to propel you forward. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. It may put more on your plate than what you are used to, but at the end of the day, I just feel like as long as you do you, you're going to make it through, okay? With your highest good, all right? So whoever those people are in your energy, oftentimes you have to look at people like the problem that you have with somebody, it was really a problem within yourself, right? You got to check yourself first. So see how that works, right? Because oftentimes the way that people respond to you has a lot to do with what they got going on. That's cool. But over here we look at, what is it? Let me check myself first. You know what I'm saying? To make sure, I ain't tripping. Okay. All right, because this is all about self-love. So you may be need to get some journals, read some books, um, get something going, a new spiritual practice that goes with self-care and really balancing out the womb energy, the connection to that receptivity, that feminine energy, right? So you may look at the way that you've been moving in the past couple of weeks or so, or past month, and you're seeing where it's imbalanced in some type of way. All right, let me go. My alarm been went off.